Okay. Oh, how we doing? Good, and you? So, we're gonna be starting my sled now. This is a VMAX 99. It's a 97 VMAX 600. It's completely stock except for a hose and a muffler. It's a piece, that's for sure. Had many troubles.
It doesn't run quite
It runs like a piece. Show you inside, I suppose.
It's really windy where we're at here, so
Yeah.
if the wind's obstructing the camera, I'm sorry.
Yeah, we got some snow in here.
Somehow snow got in here.
Decorative snow.
Yeah, sure.
Completely fucking stock in here, man.
Yeah, pretty much the same thing as mine.
And I got some holes in the muffler too. Right there, right there. Nice clad. And then I just put a girl in it, so it should be fine there. Put the choke on. Just a few yanks.
His cord's all fucked up too.
Oh. This thing.
Did you kick it? The kill switch ain't working.
The kill switch stopped.
The kill switch is stuck. This thing is a piece. The kill switch froze. So if any of you mouth-breathing mongoloids in the comments section ask about this one here in the background, oh, the camera focus. Let the camera focus a little bit. Evidently, there's fog on the camera because it's like negative 55 degrees below here.
That's not true.
Well,
Feels like it.
but this pile of shit he's got scammed off it for 800 bucks. It's
pull
junk.
the suspension on the thing though and put her in that one.
Oh yeah, did a suspension swap.
Come look at this.
Oh shit.
Oh no.